Assalamu alaikum guys, I am ARK. In the previous two videos we have learned text with HTML and using images with HTML, and now using these two concepts, that is text and images, we will try to make something. We will try to make some website using these two. So let's get started. I'll just create a new file, index.html. First of all, I want to make it clear that our website will be really bad. It won't be any impressive website. We are just doing this video because I want to discuss some generic tags which don't fall in any category of videos. Like, they are not text tags, they are not images, they are not tables list, any of these things. They are just tags which are important to discuss but don't fall in any categories. And we will also try to see semantic tags through these videos. So let's take the first step in this video by just creating the HTML layout. I'm not gonna type everything. I'll just use starter template by typing exclamation mark and using embed abbreviation. Let's give a title to our website. What website can we make using just a text? Uh, okay, we'll make a news website. I missed it. We'll make a news website. Okay. We won't be creating anything actually in this video. We will just act as we are creating. Let's create a div for a heading. Let's add h1 news, and let's give an image source will be img slash any image. Okay, this looks cool. And alternate will be icon. We have to decrease the height. GST height, I'll set it as 40 pixels. Pixels are actually the parts of screen, means our screen is divided into thousands of pixels. We'll discuss it whenever the time comes. We are just keeping the height of our icon as 40 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Let's go live. So here it is. Let's get it in center. Center tag. It will give errors, but let's just ignore it. We have it here. Now let's add some content to our website. The first thing we see in our news website is headlines, so we will add a div, and we will use h3 for headlines, lrm10. So a sentence, we will generate a random sentence with 10 words. We've discussed all these tags in the previous video, so that is why I'm not stressing on it. I'm just focusing on using it. And now let's duplicate this. So actually I've installed another extension which we have not discussed there, means in the setup video. It is duplicate. So duplicate selection. So whatever, install this extension, you will be able to duplicate the statements by using Control Shift D. Let's close it and use Control Shift D over here, and we will add 1 2 3 4 5 headlines. So that is it. Let's see how it looks. So we have 5 headlines here, and let's make another div for our news feed. Let's use h2 element, and okay, we have not given heading to it. We'll use h2 element to give heading like headlines. We'll create a news feed. I'm messing things up today. I don't know why. So let's write here news feed, and let's create another div, and let's take another h3 element, and let's give title to some article. RM4. So this is the title, and let's add some text by paragraph RM50. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so we are good so far. Let's make it lorem 100. Okay, now this looks good. And now let's add some image to our article just to make it more attractive. Img. Let's add some random image from web, some planet, I guess. Planet. Aha. So whatever the news is, it is about the solar system, or the article is about the destruction of earth. Let's copy the image address and paste it. Whatever. Earth. And we need to resize this image, obviously. We'll add width. 80 pixels will be enough to cover 100 words paragraph. Let's see. Oh, that is really small. Let's go with 130 px, and let's just align it to left. Align left. Okay, perfectly fine. 130 px is a bit larger. 100 px would be enough. Okay, that is enough. Let us now just duplicate these divs by just copying this and pressing Ctrl Shift D. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so we have added 10 new articles to the website. Let's just structure it properly. So these are our articles. Now this is our simple news website. Now let's optimize it. So I don't want just simple layout like this. Let's add some lines to just to divide all the sections. So there is a really interesting HTML tag, that is HR tag, which we can use as a margin. I'm not talking about the CSS margin, I'm talking about the line, the horizontal line. So let's divide the sections now. And just add HR tag. We'll add double HR tag here by HR. Okay. So here are the headlines. HR. Let's divide. Let's see how it looks. So you can see we have got a ruler over here, two lines. So using these rulers, we are gonna divide all our sections, means all our divs. Oh, why is it not loaded? Okay, I didn't save it. So we got it here, and we will also divide the news feed. Let's add two horizontal lines. Okay, headlines are totally separated, and now let's separate our divs. HR. Let's copy it, and we'll just paste it wherever we want after every div, of course. Now I feel that we have made lot of articles. We didn't need it this much, but whatever. So you can see all the articles are separated. Means all the divs are separated, obviously. Mm. Hmm. Oh, we didn't add a. We didn't add copyright, so let's create a center tag and copyright whatever, and copy and rights reserve news. And now let's add some background color to our website. So you can add an attribute called as bg color, and you can use any color in the background of the website. Let's type hex color picker. So okay, I want my website to be in this color. I don't know its name, but I want it to be shifted slightly to white. Okay, that will be enough. We just have to copy this hex value, and you can paste it here. Let's see. So the color of our website is changed, and any new website doesn't have an article like this, means just these small articles. We should be redirected to the full article. If we click on this article, means we should have a link here. So we can add a link to our text using anchor tag, that is a tag. We'll see how to do it. So before the beginning of every day, we will add an anchor tag. So anchor tag takes an attribute, that is href. It will convert whatever we write between these tags into a link, which will be redirected to this link which we have, which we need to put in href attribute. So for now we will just keep it as hash, and we'll write here read more. So you can see we got the link here. If we write hash there, whenever we click on it, whenever we click on it, will be redirected to the same page, that is, you can see hash here. So now let's create a page, article article.html. Let's create the starter template for it, and in its body let's add some title, lorem 5, enough, and we'll use an image. Let's take some planet image again, planet. This was the image we previously used. Now let's take this image. Oh, no. Oh, yes, this looks cool. Just copy image address and paste it in source, and attribute core image alternate. I'm sorry. Okay, let's get it in center, and we have also forgot to enclose it in div. Actually, I was not in a mood today, but still I'm making the video. So let's see how it looks. Let's go live. No, let's open it. Okay, let's open it with live server. Okay, so let's get it smaller. We don't want that much bigger image, so we'll do it attribute, and we will do it 400 px. 400 pixels would be enough. No, it is not enough. 600 pixels. Okay, this looks cool. And now let's add a paragraph which will have randomly generated text of 1,000 words. Let's see. Oh my god, we got some really cool content over here. So now we will link this page here in our read more section. So article.html, we are linking this file in this href, so that whenever we click on this read more, we will be redirected to this article.html. Let's see how it works. Okay, click this. So you can see we are redirected to this page that is all about anchor tag, and we can also use a background image. That means we can also use an image in our background instead of color, and just cut it from here. Let's try using an image in background. Let's try using some black image, green image, leaves. Okay, this pattern looks cool. Let's copy image address, and the attribute name is background. You can use background in body tag, and you can paste the location of the background. So you can see we have got that image several times. We can't actually customize this background attribute. We don't use these backgrounds, but there is an attribute and I needed to show you. That's why I shown you. We'll just get rid of that attribute. bg color. You don't need to necessarily paste the hex code. You can also write as blue blue and it will work. It should work. You can see. So I want this color particularly, so I'm pasting this hex code. So this way you can make a fairly working website using just text and images. May we discuss semantic tags in the same video? I don't think so. So that is it for the video, guys. We will discuss semantic tags in another video. Stay tuned for that. See you in the next one.